Welcome to AI News Connect, your daily source for the smartest updates in artificial intelligence. I'm Cassandra, reporting from our studio. Our first story today spotlights a major shift in the global tech landscape. Salesforce's CEO revealed that AI agents have taken over half of all customer service tasks at the company, resulting in a significant workforce reduction of 4,000 jobs over the last 8 months. According to Mark Benioff, these sweeping changes have allowed Salesforce to reconnect with over 100 million dormant customer leads and reallocate more resources to sales initiatives, marking what he calls the most exciting phase of his career. For deeper perspective on this development and its implications across the tech sector, we turn to Matthew, who's reporting from a bustling tech conference. Matthew.
Thank you, Cassandra. The transition at Salesforce is sending ripples throughout the industry. Here at the conference, executives and analysts are debating what this new era of large-scale AI deployment means for the global workforce. While many applaud the enhanced efficiency and expansion opportunities, others are raising concerns about job displacement and the need to retrain workers for emerging roles. Several industry leaders note that this is just the beginning. As AI systems become more sophisticated, similar transformations could sweep across sectors beyond customer service. Many firms are now prioritizing investment in upskilling programs, preparing employees to collaborate effectively with AI tools. I'll send it back to you, Cassandra.
Thank you for that in-depth view, Matthew. Shifting gears, our second headline today comes from the medical AI field, where researchers at West Virginia University have made a breakthrough with a new AI system designed to detect heart failure in rural patients using simple ECG data. This technology has outperformed traditional diagnostic tools, promising earlier and more accurate detection for underserved Appalachian communities. To break down how this innovation could transform rural healthcare, we go live to Crystal at a university research lab. Crystal, what are experts there saying?
Appreciate it, Cassandra. Here in the lab, the research team is enthusiastic about the potential reach of their AI model. By training on rural patient data, they've overcome the biases often found in AI systems built solely on urban populations. Clinicians I've spoken to believe this tool could close persistent healthcare gaps, enabling doctors to spot heart failure much sooner and with accessible equipment. The technology has been validated against existing standards and is already generating interest from rural hospitals looking to adopt AI-powered diagnostics. However, researchers acknowledge challenges ahead, including secure data sharing and adapting the system to varying local healthcare practices. Back to you in the studio, Cassandra.
Thank you, Crystal. To recap, Salesforce's rapid adoption of AI agents marks a turning point in enterprise automation, sparking both excitement and debate about the future of work. Meanwhile, West Virginia University's AI diagnostic breakthrough signals a new era in equitable healthcare, with the promise of better outcomes for underserved communities. That wraps up today's headlines on AI News Connect. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you never miss a beat in the fast-moving world of artificial intelligence. What AI stories are you watching? Let us know in the comments. I'm Cassandra, and we'll see you tomorrow with more essential AI updates. Stay curious and stay connected.